So one of the many really cool things we get to do here at ATF Hydrographics is dip things that go bang, like this rifle. But what if we could take it up a notch? We could dip something that goes bang that's a lot cooler than a rifle. So that's what we're going to do here today. We're going to dip a cannon. Bam! There you go. That's a cannon. I didn't say it was going to be a big cannon. So this is our project for today. We're going to be dipping this cannon. So the customer that brought us this is having a really bad problem with this cannon rusting. I mean, this thing rusts like crazy. No matter how much oil you put on it, it just starts rusting almost immediately. So what we're going to do is we're going to sandblast all the rust off of it, get it down to bare metal. We're going to paint it, prime it, dip it, and it's going to look awesome. We're going to do it in a pattern that you guys have seen before. This is going to be done in We the People. So we're only going to be dipping the metal part of this cannon. We're going to dip the actual part that shoots and these two metal brackets. The rest of the cannon carriage that's in wood, we're going to leave it as is. Let's get started. So there you go, folks. That is how we dip a cannon. So if you have a cannon or something cool that you want to get dipped, check out our website, atfhydrographics.com. You can see a huge pattern gallery of all the available films that we have. You can also find all of our contact information there, and you can get in touch with us email, phone. And make sure that you also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at ATF Hydrographics. If you like what you saw today, make sure that you go below and hit that thumbs up button. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified every time we come out with a new video. We try to do one at least every week of a cool project we got coming in the shop. So that's going to do it for this week's video. Make sure that you check back in with us next week to see what cool projects we've got coming in the shop. And as always, thanks for watching. ATF Hydrographics. You want to get your cannon dipped? Oh yeah, sure, we do that. Yeah, we can knock that out, no problem. Yeah, bring it on over. All right, bye-bye. How to dip a cannon. I didn't say it was gonna be a big cannon. Check us out. See. Oh, why did I do this so late at night? Not a huge one. It's a small one, but it still shoots and goes bang and stuff. Cause, yeah, Email, phone, or you can follow us on Facebook. And a real fuse, just like on a normal cannon. It's a pretty cool little, little thing. It's a little, God dang it. Oh, the cannon's on fire. See what cool project we've got. I said cool like 900 times. I feel like a hippie. Cool. Good. So we're gonna try to dip this so that I said like 50 freaking times now. Oh, the cannon's on fire. That shoots, and these two thingies. The thingies to hold the thing with the thing.